So I'm out here doing a stair railing for a customer, and I noticed that I have two different types of stair panels. Now, IRX stair panels have been notorious for having a little bit of rattle. However, it looks like TimberTech has fixed that. So I have 4 stair panels here, and this is what I'm used to. The stair panels can adjust to a stair angle, but they also, the way that these balusters interact with the top and bottom rails, they're fairly loose and they allow a large degree of freedom. Now you can see these old ones flex quite a bit. They're not nearly as well seated as the new ones, which is likely what's to blame for that stair rattle issue. However, these new brackets are much stiffer. Now, how'd they do that? And I was looking at this, and it looks like they've added a manufacturing step where they smash these tabs here much tighter to the top rail. So now it has a much tighter fit, and that should eliminate any stair rattle issues. Good on you, TimberTech. Now, as far as I can tell, it looks like they're phasing this in, so old inventory may still have the looser panels, and you can still eliminate that stair rattle issue. Look at this YouTube video for help with that. But it looks like TimberTech has improved their product, and I'm a fan.